Happy New Year. This is the first week of January. I am here again to discuss my paper trade as part of my training as a swing trader. So, during the last 2 weeks of December, I made a successful trade based on what the strategy I used, the refined strategy on the previous weeks. So this January, as I promised that when I make entry, if I find a good entry, then I will make a setup. And I did not press the button in the paper trade. I just used the strategy, same strategy I used the previous week, because the last week of December going to the first week of January, there are so many holidays, and the markets are open, closed, open, closed. So I just make an entry on a paper only, just to practice my strategy, to refine it if there's any lapses or errors, and then for the preparation on the second week of January. And then okay, let's go back to the chart. I am using the daily chart of this British pound US dollar, and I am still strong bearish for the British pound because the dollar is still strong bullish. See that, this movement? So I'm still strong bearish. And to make this discussion straightforward, I will discuss how did I get this 100 pips entry. So as you can see, this last week of December, the market is just consolidating or accumulating orders. So I did not make a video for an entry because I cannot find a clear setup here. This whole week, I did not find a very good entry. See the candles over here, it's just consolidating after this kind of movement. This previous week, the second week of December, yeah, my last entry for December. This one is for January already. So as you can see here, the last week of December for Christmas to going to New Year, yeah, the market's just consolidating. As soon as I saw this price action, it breaks this swing low, then I mark the swing low, and I put an entry with 100 pips only, just to exercise my brain and myself. I'm targeting this this swing low, just below this old swing low. Yeah, from here, from this entry, it goes up to rebalance this movement, so it creates a old swing low, and then it consolidates, it reaches this one, this old high, and then it breaks this swing low. Then I made a setup, because for me this is a low risk entry. It breaks already this swing low, chasing this old low. That's why I made only I put my take profit zone just below this old swing low because I'm still strong bearish with a reference to the dollar with a strong bullish. And then the price still goes down almost 100% of this entry. And I will not be sad if this price still going down, because this 100 pips entry is already good. This is my cherry entry pick, and the strategy I used here is the same with this one, and the strategy I used here is the same with this one. So I confirm that I'm improving, that my swing trade entry, the cherry pick entry every week, is improving, right? It doesn't mean that I have to trade every day, as long as I will have my cherry pick entry every week. So here I didn't, this previous week I did not see any good cherry pick, so no entry. That's it. That's part of discipline. It's part of my rule that I don't need to rush my entry, and I need to understand why I put my entry point here. What is the story behind it? What is the explanation? So this one explanation is this: it the swing lows already broken, and then it creates a swing high just to reach these daily key levels. As you can see, we will check these daily key levels. See, that's why I put the box, just to remind myself that this area is a daily key level range, and above it is that breaker of the weekly daily range. So I put this box just in case the price will just respect the swing low and then bounce back here, and then break the swing low. Then it is confirmed that this level is very strong. They just respect and touch these daily key levels. Then after the swing low was broken, I mark it already. See, it was respected two times, this one and this one. So I'm pretty sure that it is a very low risk entry. As you can see, the wick just touched this swing low breaker, and then it aggressively goes down, bam, see that, and hit my 100 pips entry, seeking this old swing low level. And during my first video, I discussed already that I have a big picture about this April 2024 low sell range weekly, and this October low 2023 weekly breaker with this gap, and then volume. So I have a big picture. As long as the dollar is still strong bullish, then I have a big picture that I will find a cherry bearish entry, right? I will not force myself to find a bullish entry if I am not sure. So to respect my rules, to follow my steps, then I will be happy enough to share my experience in being a newbie swing trader. As you can see, I have a proof already for myself that I am pressing the button. See this one? The same strat I used, this why I get this 1162 and 1164. Same strat I used here in this last week of December, excluding this third week, which is the Christmas holidays. So the market is very neutral. So yes, as you can see here, I have these errors also, and because of this error, I refined my strategy, why I made that error, and then apply the refined concept on my next setup. Then it was uh, it was a good entry. It gives me a good result, this one. So I have a realized PNL $19 with a starting of $300 account balance, because in my future live account I will put a $300 live trade. But as of now, I'm still a developing trader. I'm still polishing my strat, so I should treat this paper trade as a real account to practice my brain and my psychological concept, my feelings, my risk appetite, to practice it as early as now. So as a developing trader, there's no need for me to compare myself to other people who already trade so many years. As of now, I'm already 3 months old, and then after I made my entry, if I go if it goes wrong, then so be it. Then I will make a video also, and then refine the strat, where why did I go wrong, where should I put my stop loss, my entry, and my take profit. So if this video helps you or contributes something good, then I'm happy about it. If you want to subscribe, just click the subscribe button. If you like it, then press the like button. This video will only serve as my journal, because I am tired writing into paper. I, for me, doing this video record is more relaxing for me. All I have to do is just talk, and where did I put my entry, my stop loss, my take profit. So just to be honest to myself, that's why I made this video. And second week of January, I will start pressing buttons again, because first week of January, I think the price will make the high and low of the week. So I'll wait for it, then I'll see to it if I can find a cherry pick entry the second week. If there's nothing about if there's nothing special about it, if there's no sign for it, then no trade for me. So see you guys. If the market will give me a good opportunity, then see you in the next video. Happy New Year to everyone. I hope you're doing well. Your day you have a good day. Also, take care of yourself. God bless us all.